Yo, what's up guys? So today, I'm sick. I'm sick as a dog. I don't know, something going around and I caught it. I feel absolutely terrible. But anyways, today, I'm gonna head over to FTP and we're gonna be working on John's car. If you don't know who John is, he's the guy with the gray and Kouki S14. We haven't been working on it that I've been filming, but we have been working on it somewhat. I'm gonna go over there today and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna get done today. Should be pretty fun today. I said today a lot today. So excuse me if I sound congested, or whatever. I feel like crap, runny nose, I don't know, but I promised him that we were gonna work on this car today because we need to get this done. We've been putting this off too long. He needs a new rear main seal. I already put a new rear main seal in it, or he did. Or Ramos did, I don't know, it was in one of the videos. We put a new rear main seal in it. Somehow it got messed up again. I'll tell you why when I get to the shop, but I'm gonna go to an auto parts store now and get him another rear main seal so we can also work on the 2J today. So, let's see how today goes. It's a beautiful day, and no, I'm not taking the beast because it's about 115 degrees here in Florida today. Beautiful. And I'm not finna sweat because no AC life. So heading to the shop now. I lied. Heading to the auto parts store to get the rear main seal. Then heading to the shop. So let's go. This is why you gotta love Florida. Didn't have to drive that far. I already found the damn rain. Alright, 3 auto parts stores later, I got the seal for the rear main. Oh great, even more lake. I ain't walking in this shit. God damn. Oh no, we have a drowning Kouki. Honda. Shit. Dang. Slammed. Oh, see the ripples. Hey. Anybody got a damn boat? Pretty dope. Bro, in a boat. I don't know what to do. I'm not walking. Shit. All right, look at the rims. Look how deep that shit is. I'm not walking in this. This shit. You see this? Damn lake out here. God, my windshield wipers are annoying as hell. Shut up. What up? $50.
Yes, what up?
Yeah, man, I had to go to like 3 different stores to find this damn thing.
For real?
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man.
You're in a very bad... Don't throw this, but...
There's Jonathan, everybody.
Oh, hello, camera. Haven't seen you in a while.
It's been a while. Cleaning up.
Don't sit it on there. Sit off to the side.
What dash is that? Is that S14?
No. EG.
Oh, Honda.
Oh,
Alright, John. Tell everybody why you're redoing the rear main seal again.
It's leaking.
It's leaking.
The rear main seal. The one that we previously changed out is leaking. What? I didn't do it.
So Jonathan did the valve stem seals.
Yep.
And
the valve covers are in the oven.
And something happened, so we're not gonna get all that, but anyways, the timing is done again. New belt, all the gears are rebuilt. Water pumps on, 1 hot boy pulley. His power steering pump is somewhere around here.
It's right here in the box.
Okay. He's running a 350Z transmission. Collins adapter kit. There's a new pilot bearing right there. nice aluminum one with the that's on the inside. Can't really mess that one up unless you're a complete noob.
I'm a complete noob.
Let's see what else parts he's got. Oh, don't mind the mess. Jonathan's cleaning up for bigger and better things. Here's this lightweight new flywheel from Collins.
Flywheel? Yeah, right. Boat anchor flywheel.
Yeah, right, bro. This shit weighs like, it's like 3 ounces, bro. This thing's gonna rev to like 14,000 RPMs. It's definitely lighter than the OEM one. This thing's nice. From Collins. His clutches. Shit! Oh! Dog.
I was trying to get
Dog.
on that.
Dog. ACT. Stage 4?
11?
Yeah.
Stage 4.
I gotta buy one.
Here's a socket. Stage 46. 6-puck. It'll definitely hold up for the power me and him are both going for, because it's pretty much the same exact kit that I have for my 2J. So right now, put this back. This is Collins transmission mount. So
It's been in the box.
he's putting back on the adapter plate,
Well, not really back on.
that
but
big
yeah.
round thing, or whatever. I wonder what the hell are you doing? Why was it unbolted?
What do you mean? Why was it unbolted? It was never bolted to begin with. This is the first time.
Oh, well, he's putting it on. My bad. I forgot. The engine was on the stand. He got here a little bit before me, and took it off the stand. So now he's what?
I changed it.
Pivot fork.
Yeah, I took it out. I cleaned it for cleaner.
It's got the
I changed
new
it. I cleaned the pivot ball.
throwout bearing in here.
I put a new throwout bearing in.
New throwout bearing.
I don't
And the
wanna go, like,
transmission.
over the top cleaning it.
As you know, with my transmission, I have a 370Z. It's got the internal slave cylinder, so I don't have this pivot fork. I kind of prefer this anyways, but I got the better throwout bearing that fixes the issues that the plastic OEM ones are known for breaking for. So he's bolting all the drivetrain up now, so we're gonna get that taken care of. The adapter plate is all bolted up. Now getting ready to install the clutch and pressure plate. Well, gotta go get pressure plate bolts once again. I feel like I did this already for my swap. So, time to go hunt for some bolts. Always something. We got the pressure plate bolts. Tighten them up. Get that on there and then put the transmission on. Got the transmission all bolted up. Now, just getting a drill so we can drill out the starter to install these studs. They'll go there. But first we gotta drill out the starter.
Alright, so we're drilling out the starter to 15-30 seconds. Go ahead, PJ, do your thing.
Oh shit.
Wrong thing, but nice and clean. Sprinkle a little fairy dust on that bitch.
Alright, I got one stud in, bottom stud. I just have to put this top one in here. As you can see, this is the reason why we had to drill out the starter, because the starter originally
Comes threaded.
And the bolt bolts through to the transmission. But with the kit, you have to drill out the hole in order to fit the stud. Voila, drill it out, put it in, good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this other stud in. Alright, got the starter all bolted up. So, see the stud, the bolt. Got the transmission bolted up, clutch is all bolted up, pressure plate, flywheel. She's almost ready to go in the car. Still need the power steering, put that on.
Yeah,
we'll do that later, that's whatever. So, now I don't know what we're gonna move on to. You'll see next clip.
The world has been broke down. The world is just announced. Final time is now. The final time to bounce. But I will not get down. For you can't force me now. Awakening is clear. I could show you how. I could show you how to fight them. I could show you how to defeat them now.
That's right, guys. We're gonna be pulling this KA out. Well, we're gonna be attempting to pull it out because I have something to do in a few hours, so time is ticking. So we might not be able to get it pulled out, but we're gonna get as much as we can pulled out. So honestly, probably not gonna sit here and record every little thing that we're taking off, but fairly simple. Disconnect the battery. Lift it up in the air, unhook the exhaust, the transmission mount, drain your fluids in the transmission and the oil and the coolant, disconnect the radiator, disconnect the engine mounts, disconnect the wiring harness. Engine should be ready to come out. So as I said before, we're just going to try to hammer down and just get cracking on this thing, and I'll try to film a little bit of updates as we get as far as we can. So stay tuned to see how it goes, guys. Alright guys, engine and transmission is out. A little bit of a mess, it's gonna happen. Just got some cleaning up to do in here. But most important part, it's out. Bird's eye view. Alright guys, I'm late as hell to what I need to do. Thanks to John for helping out a little bit he did. He came in clutch when we needed him the most.
Always trying.
That's right. John, it's out.
It's out. Thank you, BJ.
No problem. I gotta go. He's gonna clean up and get everything else squared away. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, comment below. Let me know if you're excited to see what's next for the Kouki monster. Alright guys, peace.